Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to bypass the Microsoft account sign-in screen on Windows 11. Ever since Windows 10, Microsoft has tried to force you to sign in with a Microsoft account when you're installing Windows. And in Windows 11, they've made it even more difficult to sign in with a local account when you're setting up Windows for the first time. But right now, I'm going to show you the easiest way that you can bypass the screen. So when you're prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account, just type in the following email address, no@thankyou.com. And then you can click on next. And when you're taken to the password screen, you can just literally type in anything you want here and then click on sign in. Then you'll get this screen where it says, oops, something went wrong. And then you can click on next. And then you'll be prompted to create a local account on Windows 11. So I'm just going to call my local account memory, and then I'll click on next. You can enter a password if you want to. I'm just going to leave that blank and then click on next. Sometimes you might be prompted to sign in with a Microsoft account again. Just go through the same process and create another local account. And then you can just go through all of the additional Windows 11 setup screens, and then you'll be taken to the desktop. I do hope this guide helped you out. Please like the video and watch any of my other helpful guides on this channel, and I'll see you in the next one.